This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Garmin Forerunner 245 watch to your iPhone. First, download the Garmin Connect app from your iPhone's App Store. Make sure your Garmin Forerunner 245 is fully charged and powered on. Keep your iPhone and watch within a few feet of each other to ensure a smooth connection process. This initial step is crucial for a successful pairing. Now let's initiate the pairing. Open the Garmin Connect app on your iPhone. If you're new, create an account, otherwise log in. Within the app, tap on Garmin devices and then add device. Simultaneously, on your Forerunner 245 watch, go to the settings menu and select Pair Phone. This action makes your watch discoverable to your iPhone. Once your watch is in pairing mode, your iPhone will display a list of nearby Garmin devices. Select your Forerunner 245 from this list to begin the pairing process. A 6-digit code will appear on your watch screen. Carefully enter this exact code into the Garmin Connect app on your iPhone. This step confirms that you are connecting to the correct device. After entering the code, allow the Garmin Connect app a moment to complete the initial setup. Your Forerunner 245 will then automatically begin syncing data, including your activities, workouts, and health metrics, to your iPhone. You can also customize watch settings, set up notifications, and explore many other features directly through the app. Enjoy your connected experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.